Hello, it's Susan here for Komori no Hime Cosplay, and welcome to the first in the series of Japan videos. Today we're going to be doing a room tour of the Akihabara Washington Hotel. Please excuse the bit of a mess. We are packing and getting ready to head back to the States, but I wanted to show you guys what a hotel in Akihabara looks like, just to give you an idea if you're planning a trip to Japan on your own. We weren't really worried about it being super small because we were mostly just using this room as our base of operations. For the trip, we were going to be outside seeing Japan, so we weren't super worried about the room being really small. We just needed a place to put our stuff for the time of the trip. So this is the hallway when you first enter the room. The door's behind me. So there's a mirror, and it also has you have to insert your key to use the air conditioning. So just something to keep in mind. And we have a cupboard up here, and also the hotel does provide pajamas and also some slippers down there. Oh, there they are. Some slippers down there, and then a couple other things to use, like a coffee maker if you want to use it. And that's the door. So coming down a little hallway area, there's a mirror, there's a nightlight, there is no closet to speak of, but there are these hooks with some hangers on there if you need to use it. And there is a luggage storage area, a humidifier. The hotel does have a TV, however the TV doesn't swivel at all, it's pretty much stationary, and when we were flipping through it, it really is mostly just pay-per-view stuff on there, so didn't really use it. The hotel does have Wi-Fi, so we used it a little bit. One of the things we'd heard on reviews of this hotel was that the Wi-Fi wasn't really fast, but we're not going to be spending a whole lot of time in the hotel anyways, and also we had our pocket Wi-Fi. Oh, and they offer massage treatments as an option in the hotel. The other thing is that they mentioned that they have laundry service. We were expecting it to be more like coin laundry, but no, it's more like you pay and they'll dry clean your suit. So definitely make sure to bring enough clothes for the duration of your stay, unless you want to pay a huge amount to have your clothes dry cleaned while you're there. And around the corner, once again, sorry that we have all our stuff everywhere, but we have the phone, and this area folds out so you have a little bit more space, so we've been putting stuff up there. And inside is a refrigerator and a couple more drawers. So we have a small area to plug stuff in next to the bed. The bed is a bit hard but very comfortable. And if you look outside, you can see Akihabara. So the window does open a little bit so you can get some fresh air if you'd like. But for the most part, it's fairly soundproof, considering that we have a train station right out the window there, and there is a police station fairly close by, so there are sirens that go past. But for the most part, everything is so insulated, you really don't have to worry too much about the sounds from outside, even though we're in a city. And it does have a shutter that'll come down, or I guess shutter isn't the right word, but it does have a curtain that'll come down that's a blackout curtain to help keep some of the light out if you are sleeping in, because without daylight savings time, at least while we're here in Japan in the end of May, the sun starts shining at 5:30 in the morning. So there's a little bit of artwork on the walls. It does have I guess it would be the office area, so it has a little table, and then these two little chairs, which we've mostly just been using to store stuff in, and that's where we've been eating breakfast in the morning. There is a Family Mart right across the street from the hotel, so that's where we've been getting some convenience store breakfast. And then it also has the bathroom. There is the stereotypical super high-tech Japanese toilet. And they also provide things like toothbrushes, razors, things like that you may have forgotten during your on the trip over, hair dryer, sink, and they provide shampoo, conditioner, soap, all that good stuff, and it's in bottles. So there's quite a lot of it. If you have really long hair like me and brought a whole bunch of extra shampoo and conditioner because you're worried about little tiny bottles in the hotel, that's not the case, so super convenient. There's a very nice deep tub with a mirror and a shower head as well. I hope you found this video helpful if you are planning your trip to Japan, We quite enjoyed our stay at the hotel. The hotel location is super close to both the JR and the Tokyo Metro stations. It's right in the middle of Akihabara, and it was just a very nice stay for us. And it was also, I know it's a bit smaller than what we're typically used to in the United States for hotels, but it was also significantly cheaper. The 12 nights that we stayed in here were cheaper than 3 nights spent at Katsucon. So to give you a bit of reference, we are staying at the end of May, so we're after Golden Week. We're in kind of a slow period for Japan for tourism, which definitely helped lower the price. But I will be putting a link to the hotel information in the description box below if you want to learn more about the hotel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.